Halo Glow, with those two, I can tell you for a fact that I've lost 10 pounds. I'm so proud. I added the shake, right? The extra protein, getting that in there. Okay, hyaluronic acid. You can take this in your drink as well. So this is, it's kind of fruity in nature, has a little tang to it, so that's why I put it in water, so it's not awful. Okay, so that's these. Oh my gosh, and yes, I still have another thing in here. Hold on. I gotta put everything down without like dropping it and it all going everywhere. Hold tight. Okay, so the last combo of things that was in here was something that I grabbed because I know I use them. So I use the Midnight Touches. You've seen me do them on my face. This is the blush. This one is Prestige. It's a very light pink, okay? My preference. Then I got the VFX Pro, okay? This is the concealer, and I've been learning a new technique using concealer, which like kind of marks your face a little bit when you do concealer, and I needed mine. And this is a brightener concealer, so it'll be brighter and perfect for spring and summer. Okay, and then this one is a BB powder. So instead of having the, I think this is BB cream. Yeah, BB cream, right? I can use this, and it has a little powder, and still do all the things that I want to do for a base, and then add this with my concealer. This is a whole face in itself, and I just add lip and mascara if I want. Or guess what? This can also be used as eyeshadow, all the things. So, okay, we unboxed a ton of things. So I have 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 products that I combine, that I use with my nutrition line, that I needed refills on. Shipping, all things included, didn't cost me a penny. It cost me, I used my commissions to get the things. How cool. How cool. So I don't feel like I'm out anything. I'm just out working my business, sharing with the people, doing the things, helping my team. And then I get my products basically for free. Not basically, for free. Really and truly. So if you have questions about how this works with Farmasi, and you're looking for a great team, a leader who believes in you and will push you and help you along your way, I'm here to do that for you. So let's chat. Comment below for me. Curious. You know, if you comment curious, then I'll know that you're looking at the business a little bit. If you are interested in any of these NutriPlus products, I would love to share how all that works, okay? Just message me and we can have a conversation, or make a comment below. Have a great one. Have an absolutely fabulous Friday. Oh yeah, and by the way, did you know we launched the Nerd Lab? 12 people onboarded, more to do this weekend. It's coming, guys. If you don't know about the Nerd Lab, drop it below. Have a great one, and we'll talk soon.